Good morning, family. I'm Anthony, and these are your COH news and updates. Our family and friends weekend celebration will be taking place next month, and we need your help. We're asking everyone to donate a dish for our cookout, which will happen on that Saturday of that weekend. Please see Minister Wilson, Elder Wilson, or Minister Black for more information.
Well, the deadline is looming for you to sign up for Obamacare. March 31st is the final day to register and not pay a penalty, and that is Monday. But as of mid-March, only 5 million Americans were covered. WJCL's Renee LaSalle is working for you tonight with what you need to know.
It's very scary because when you go to the doctor, you have to pay up front.
Rosalina Noyes spent years uninsured, that is, until last December.
Release my mind, my heart.
The Port Royal resident helps care for her disabled Marine husband. They're attending a low-country health fair at Helena House Assisted Living. They say this used to be the way they got health care screenings, but not anymore. That's what the Affordable Care Act hopes to accomplish for the 48 million or so Americans who didn't have insurance a year ago. The deadline for registration is this coming Monday. Those who don't register and don't have other health care coverage face a $95 tax penalty plus an additional $47.50 for each child, or a maximum penalty of 1% of their income. Still, those enrollment numbers are slow to roll in. As of March 15th, less than 145,000 Georgians were covered under the Affordable Care Act, barely 43,000 in South Carolina. Back at Helena House, Executive Director Eric Fennell says, politics aside, more access to health care is a good thing.
Now with the door opening for so many more people to have that access, the eventual hope is that people are more healthy as we move forward.
Rosalina Noyes agrees.
I don't have no income, but at least I got insurance that's going to help me go through my health expenses.
Renee LaSalle, WJCL News, working for you.
And the Obama administration is extending that deadline for those who start the process but then run into trouble. However, you have to prove your hardship. Well, there is a link to the healthcare website in this story at WJCL.com.
Open your mouth into it. If you really trust him tonight, open your mouth into it. The song is real simple. It says, I trust you, Lord. I trust you.
Remember to like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, or follow us on Instagram at COH Ministries. If there's anything you may have missed, please visit us online at www.cathedralofhopeministries.org.
Hello, awesome people. So today, the lesson that we're going to learn together is learning to release people that their season's over in your life. You know, so many times what we do in life is we hold on to people because of the comfort level. We don't realize that everything that you want is right outside your comfort level, right outside your comfort zone. And sometimes that means removing people that have been in your life for a very long time. That's not meaning that they are bad people and that you don't love them anymore. It just means that you're protecting your anointing. There's a difference in life in people that are assigned to you and people that are attached to you. People that are assigned to you, they pray for you. They love you. They got your back when it ain't popular to have your back. They are on it. They are the ride and die partners. They are the kind of people in your life that you need, and they are out there. Then there are people that are attached to you. People that are attached to you, they're just along for the ride, riding your coattails. They know, they see the purpose and the destiny on the inside of you. They know you're going somewhere, and they don't have enough courage to ride their own dream. So they're riding yours. But the minute that somebody offers them something better, their loyalty is out the window. So that's why it's important today that you realize that you are validated. You don't need other people to validate you. Stop sharing your dream with just anybody and everybody. And let me tell you something else. Those people that you have in your VIP section, you know the ones I'm talking about. The ones that every time you talk to them give you all the reasons why you shouldn't do what you're doing. They tell you about your 401k. They tell you about all the comfort level that you are in right now. And they deflate your balloon, your dream, and your passion. So escort them to the balcony. Tell them to watch you from a distance. Maybe you even need to control, alt, and delete. Maybe you need to hide some people. Whatever it is, protect your anointing. Realize that where you're going is huge, it's big, and it's bright. Share this video. Let other people know that they have the ability to control, alt, and delete as well. I love you. I believe in you. Share this video. Like this page. Let us love you back to life every day.
You are dependable.
Well, Saints, that's all for today's news and updates. I'm Anthony, and please have a wonderful and blessed day.